Cleaning interior windows comes with its own range of challenges, including cramped spaces, strange window heights, and causing obstructions for members of the public. The Streamline Dragonfly 4 internal window cleaning kit provides the solution for high-level internal glass cleaning. Eliminating the use for ladders and cherry pickers with a Streamline over 8 pole, which provides an option of up to 60 feet in reach. The wireless fob keeps control at your fingertips, allowing the user to control the spray flow of water that emerges from the tip. And with a rechargeable battery pack that provides up to 8 hours of continuous use on a full charge, you can be sure you'll do the job right the first time, no matter the scale. Talk to Streamline and find out if the Dragonfly 4 internal window cleaning kit is the solution you need.